Hi, my name is Sproatt. I'm a retired Beaufort magistrate. I was a magistrate for about 14 years, and I had a lot of interactions with Doug Seifert. And based on those interactions, that's the reason that I'm endorsing him. A lot of the interactions we had dealt with him when he was an investigator, and that meant bringing search warrants and arrest warrants for me to sign. And I have always viewed those two types of warrants as being a very important responsibility on my part, because search warrants lets law enforcement come into your house even if you don't want them to, and an arrest warrant allows law enforcement to restrict your movement by taking you to jail. So those warrants had to be no errors whatsoever. And Doug's were flawless. I never had to say, you're going to have to do this over or anything like that. The other aspect of his preparedness, I guess you would say, is that the few times I had him in court when I was hearing a case, he was so well prepared that if he was being cross-examined by an attorney, he was not rattled. He had his prosecution, which in South Carolina, in magistrate's court, law enforcement officers have to prosecute their own cases. He was always well prepared. The other aspect of his demeanor in court was that he respected everyone in court. I mean, he was well prepared, but he respected the bench. He respected jurors in cases where we had jurors, opposing attorneys, and even the accused. And I believe that he will bring that to the office of the sheriff and, by example, lead the sheriff's department based on what I have observed. And I believe that leading by example is the strongest type of leadership that you can have. And for all of these reasons, I am endorsing Doug Seifert to be our next sheriff of Beaufort County, and I hope you will too. Thank you.